Hello there, young adventurers. Welcome to our magical jungle, where exciting stories unfold and valuable lessons are learned every day. Today, we're going to meet some special friends who live in this beautiful jungle. There's Leo, the brave lion, Zara, the zippy zebra, Ella, the wise elephant, and Tito, the playful tiger. These friends love to have fun, but they also know the importance of being good citizens. Do you know what it means to be a good citizen? It means taking care of our community, helping others, following rules, and always being kind and respectful. So, join Leo, Zara, Ella, and Tito on an exciting adventure as they discover how to make their jungle a better place for everyone. Are you ready? Let's dive into the story and learn all about being a good citizen. Our story begins at the jungle playground, where our friends are about to learn an important lesson.
Hey everyone, isn't it great to have such a fun playground to play in?
Yeah, Leo, I love swinging high up in the air.
And this slide is so much fun.
My sandcastle is almost done. This place is the best.
Oh no, look at all this trash. We need to clean it up.
But it's not our mess. Why should we clean it?
Because we are good citizens, Zara. Good citizens take care of their community, even if they didn't make the mess.
Ella's right. If we all work together, we can make the playground clean again.
I'll pick up the plastic bottles.
I'll gather the papers.
I'll collect the wrappers.
And I'll make sure the trash goes into the right bins.
See how nice the playground looks now? This is what being a good citizen is all about.
Yeah, taking care of our community is important.
And it's not just about picking up litter. Good citizens also help others, follow rules, and show respect.
Like waiting your turn on the slide and saying please and thank you.
Can someone help me get my ball down?
Let's help him out, friends. That's what good citizens do.
Thank you so much. You're all such good citizens.
Remember everyone, being a good citizen makes our community a better place for all of us.
And it makes us feel good inside, too.
Let's always be kind, helpful, and respectful.
Because good citizens make the world a happier place.
And so, the jungle friends learned that being a good citizen means caring for their community and helping others. And they lived happily ever after, making their jungle a wonderful place to live.